Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen. So I want us to start off with EURUSD. Let me see. It is here. This is a very good downtrend. We're looking at these three moving averages. We have the first one at the top. This is a 100 period moving average. The next one is a 52 period moving average. And we have 14 period moving average. So all of them are pointing to the lower side, which means that we are in a very good downtrend. We have a very good support here. So we have, it was a support previously, we had a support, we had a support, we had a support, we had a support, we had a support. Then currently there is a break and a close below the same zone. So as it is right now, this is a very good place to be looking for a sell from. We do expect that the current candle may close below this line, these two zones. If that happens, then we want to wait for a retracement back towards the same zone to pick a long-term sell position, at least up to this point here. So the idea here basically is to keep looking for sell positions as long as the price is below this line. As long as the price is held below these two zones, expect it to continue downwards up to this point. If this is broken, then expect the price to extend even lower, at least up to 1.06981. So we just want to see a retracement back towards this level here, so that we pick a sell position. Our first step profit is this one, and the next step profit is this one here. The other chart is GBPUSD. So this is also bearish, but we still have some pips to go below. We have a very good support here. So ideally, while we'll expect a sell on EURUSD, we also expect the same sell on GBPUSD. But for GBPUSD, we expect the price to go only up to this point here. If it descends below it and closes below this line, then that will be the sign that we're now continuing even lower, at least up to this point here. So just keep holding on to sell positions, expecting the sellers to push us downwards up to this point. If this is broken, expect the price to extend much lower up to this point here. So this is my opinion on GBPUSD. The other chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. Now this is upwards. It's exactly opposite the first two symbols we've talked about. So we do have a very good resistance zone. It was a resistance previously. We had a resistance. There is a break above. Then as it is now, we do expect that if the price can move down and touch this zone, this should give us a good place to look for a buy from. So we are just waiting to see what happens. When the price goes down and touches this zone, we will be looking for a buy position, expecting the buyers to push price back to the upper side. So this is the place we'll be looking for a buy from, this one. If the price moves down and touches this zone, we will be looking for a buy position, expecting the buyers to push us to the upper side up to this trend line here. So we will be watching price around this point and also along this trend line here. So whoever picks a buy from this zone should exit that buy somewhere here. And if the price descends and closes below this zone, then we will expect that the sellers are going to push us even lower up to around 149.223. Now that's my opinion on this chart. I want us to look at the Bitcoin. This has been very much to the upper side. We've seen price continue to accelerate in an upward manner. So we have a very good triangular formation. This is a converging wedge formation. The price has gone above it. As it is now, we had some minor retracement, but the price could not hit this trend line. So this is still a very good uptrend. You are still waiting for price to continue to the upper side, at least up to somewhere along this level here, 73.3.27. So we expect a move up to this point. When the price breaks and closes above it, we will expect it to continue even higher. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We will meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.